Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with a brand new wig unboxing. It's been a minute and I am praying for the best, you guys. I'm praying for the best because the last wig unboxing I did not go too well. So I did buy this wig 100% myself with my own money. This video is not sponsored. This should be a 250% density 38-inch wig. I believe 38 inches was the longest they had. But we are going to go ahead and unbox this wig together and see what we're working with. Fingers crossed, you guys. We are going to jump into this video, but before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. If you all watched my last wig unboxing where I got like a 50-inch wig, that wig ended up being trash, you guys. So that kind of scared me from Aliexpress for a minute. Okay, so I'm going to read off the specs of this wig. So this should be a 13x6 lace front wig, 38 inches, 250% density, and it costs $250, you guys. That's really good if this is really 38 inches. It does have some weight to it, so this is a nice weight. Like, it feels a little heavy, so this should be good. So I know the 11/11 sale is coming up soon, and the girlies want to know what wig to get, so I hope this is a good one. I really hope so. So I guess we'll go ahead and open it, get into the nitty gritty. Aliexpress has been scaring me lately. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. Like I say, I spend my own money, so I took a big L last time. I took a L, you guys. So this wig was shipped from the United States. It shipped really, really fast, you guys. Like, it took maybe 4 days to come. So this wig comes pretty quickly. Here's the baggie, let's go ahead and unbox it. I can't really pronounce the vendor's name. I think it's like Nika or something, but of course I'm going to link it in the description box so you all will be able to find the wig. So let's see if we have any gifts in here. Like, we got a wig cap, bam. I do feel like some of these vendors, they like, no more gifts for you, no gifts. The hair looks pretty, It looks pretty right now. Let's see what we have here. The lace is thin. The lace is pretty thin. It's not HD lace, but like this is not like that thick, unworkable with lace. Like, the lace is good. So let's see what we have here. Ooh, it's long. It is long. She is long. Oh, I got the little net stuck on my hand. So here is the wig. This is a nice thickness. Like, this is nice. There's no smell to the hair, so that is fantastic. The hair is so wispy. I cannot wait to wear this wig, you guys. It looks really pretty. This wig looks really, really pretty. I cannot wait to wear this wig. So hold on. Let's actually start with the inside of this wig and really get into the nitty gritty and see what this wig looks like. So this is 13x6. You get a lot of, well, hold on. This is a full 13x6. That is a shocker. Like, when shopping on Aliexpress, I don't even expect to get a full 13x6 frontal. Like, this one is actually, you get the full 13x6. So you can do a side part without having to ship your wig over or anything like that. So, you know, lately a lot of these companies are doing like a little U-shaped thing, but you get the full 13x6 here. That is a shocker. That is new. So it does have an elastic band. It just came off a little bit. So let me just hook it back on. Just like unhook that, bam. But yeah, it does have an elastic band, so if you do have a smaller head, like, you're good. Like, you can tighten the elastic band, you'll be fine. It does have combs in it. Like, I'm shook by this full 13x6 though, honey. I am shook. And like, the lace really does look good, you guys. And I do feel like the hair keeps its thickness all the way to the bottom. Like, it still looks good. I will say, like, I like the thickness a lot. The thickness is good, but I feel like it is giving a little 180% density. I'm 5'7". Let me show you all where this wig will probably fall on me. So, bam. So yeah, it's right. Okay, this is long. This is like at the bottom of my butt. Bam, 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 bam. So, it is really long, you guys. So if you want some hair past your butt, yeah, this is it. It was $250 right now. So I don't know how cheap it will be for the 11/11 sale. So definitely check it out then. But let's measure this hair and see if it's really true to length. I like to pull out my handy dandy measuring tape. This is probably gonna be my birthday hair, you guys. I'm probably gonna wear this for my birthday, Thanksgiving. That time is almost Sagittarius season. So you know the vibes. I'm gonna hold the measuring tape up right there. And let's see how long this wig is. So we are at 37 inches. We're at 37 inches. So it is pretty true to length, you guys. Like feeling this hair, this is human hair, you guys. Like I've experienced hair that was not human hair. Now that I've had some hair that was so bad and so obviously not human hair, I know human hair when I see it. I know it. I know human hair when I see it now. Like extremely obvious when the hair is trash after what I experienced. I'm really happy because after that last order, I was ready to wash my hands with Aliexpress completely. I really was, but I cannot wait to put this baby on, honey. I cannot wait to whip this out on the bras. Like, this is actually really, really gorgeous. I love the way it moves. It does look pretty dark, but of course, I'm still gonna dye it jet black. This is really, really, really pretty. For $250, this is gorgeous and like super duper affordable. So you guys know, like, I've bought 40-inch wigs and they're like $400. Like, I feel like maybe the price is going down of them right now, but I bought 40-inch wigs before and they were like pushing 400 or at 400. So $250 for this wig, and it's looking like that is fantastic. It does look real, and it's looking like that. You getting the full 13x6, like that's fantastic. Like that's really, really good, you guys. Let's not waste any time today. Let's do a little burn test. You know, like let's do a burn test because I am scarred from last time. So we're finna do a burn test right now on this wig. Let me, I'm gonna cut off a little piece in the back and we're gonna do a burn test together because I don't have time for what happened to me last time. Like, I'm not gonna play with these benders no more. Like, let's do this burn test. I'm gonna cut off this piece. Cutting off a lot of hair. Well, hold on. Well, okay, I got some hair right here. I hope this is enough for the burn test. Let me cut off some more. Let me cut off some more hair so we can really see what we doing here. Okay, we got this much hair. We got hair right there. So I'm gonna get my lighter and we finna do this burn test on camera. If I burn down my entire apartment, this is the proof. But we got the hair. Okay, guys, I really did not have to cut off all this hair, but okay, I got the lighter. Let's see. Ah! Oh. Whoa, do I think I'm Kai Cenat or something? Like, what is going on? But okay, this is what we got, you guys. This is what we got. We got ash. We got ash, you guys. We got ash, ladies and gentlemen. We got ash. It's real. What was I? We got ash though. We got ash. We got ash right here. Like you can see like the ends of it. Like it turned to ash. I shouldn't have did that. I shouldn't have did it like that. I feel like there's a better way to do it. So it's not a blend. It's human hair for $250. What was I doing, guys? I did it. So it's human hair. It's human hair. Of course, I'm gonna come back after I wore the hair for like 2 weeks or something and kind of like give you all an updated review. Maybe like an initial review when I actually install it, but it's real hair. Like it's real human hair, you guys. So bam, bam, bam. I mean, if you are like a super duper thicky girly, because the wig is like only $250, like it's not that expensive to where you can add an extra bundle if you want to, but like this is a nice thickness too. Like I'm gonna rock mine like this, honey, and we'll see what it's giving, but I really, really like this, I do. Of course, I'm going to link it in the description box. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. And thank you all so much for watching. Bye, guys.